So today we're taking a look at the brand new Canon EOS R, long-awaited Canon full-frame mirrorless camera, lens case for the brand new lens, set of instructions, the new Canon RF series lens, specially designed for the new R series camera. The RF series lenses come with a much larger rear element, which is a feature of these lenses because they're mounted much closer to the sensor on the camera, much better edge-to-edge quality. So at the base of the lens, you'll notice that there's 12 electronic contacts, which provides faster data transfer between the lens and the body, as well as improved autofocus and stabilisation. So this is the 24-105, which features a constant f4 through the range. Around the front here, you'll notice there's a multi-function ring, which allows you to set any other controls that you wish. Adapters are available for the new mirrorless system so that you can use all of the lenses that you've previously bought. So now to the main event, the Canon EOS R camera body. The body is much more compact than your usual DSLR, a good ergonomic grip, and comes with a 3-inch screen at the back, which is fully articulated. Electronic viewfinder, by all accounts, very high quality one at that. Next to the viewfinder is the fully customisable multi-function bar, which allows you to set most of the settings on the camera. On the side of the camera, you'll find the microphone jack, a headphone jack, and facility for a remote control as well as the HDMI output and USB. It sports a full frame 35mm 30.3 million pixel sensor, which is located behind the shutter. The camera comes with 5,600 selectable autofocus points, and in video mode you're able to use 4K at up to 30 frames per second, and at 1080p you can use 60 frames a second. And using the HDMI output, you can use the camera in 4K 10-bit Canon log. Included obviously the strap, comes with the camera, a battery charger. One of the nice surprises about the EOS R is that it comes with the battery that is used on some of the early model Canons, so the 7D, 5D Mark IV amongst them. It also includes a USB cable, which includes a tether lock, which helps support and maintain connection while shooting tethered to your camera. Fantastic to finally see the Canon EOS R mirrorless camera, which is going to be available in store in the next couple of weeks and is available for pre-order from TED stores and online.